Hey everybody, it is almost time for my open house. We start at 11 o'clock today and I'm here until 1. I really want to show you this beautiful home. If you're a boater and you've had any idea of what it's like to live on the canal, I'm going to show you. This home has a boat ramp. It even has a boat launch, a gorgeous deck. So let's take a look. I'd love to show you where I'm at. Here we go. Come on. And it is just a beautiful day, so perfect day to check out some property in Surf City and come see me. I'm at 9105 9th Street in Surf City. It's right across from Surf City Line, if y'all familiar with that place. So this little cottage is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is just under 1,500 square feet. So let's go take a look. Welcome home. Really adorable sitting area here. And this floor looks like it's concrete, so it's probably really easy to clean, especially coming in from the beach or the water. And washer and dryer, just some utility closets, kitchen, there are sliders that go to the deck outside. It's always nice. Dining area. I'm sorry, there is no light at this moment. A seating area for your living room, so you get this really nice big open space, which is just perfect for entertaining. You could fit a lot of people in here. And we have got the dining area right here off of the kitchen. Primary suite. Nice spacious room. Stall shower. There is a closet, like a linen closet in there. So this is the first bedroom. I go back. This is the main bathroom and the hallway with a shower. Another bedroom, and this looks like it's got two closets. Can never have enough closet space. Oop, we got stuff in that one. Okay. And one more bedroom in here. These rooms are really nice size. I have to say, this looks like it's a queen or a king size bed, so it's kind of deceptive outside. Some more closets. And this one, I won't go opening everybody's closets up. Again, this is the kitchen counter area. Some bar stools are really nice. And let's go ahead. So what do you think so far? It's really a lot bigger in here than you would think. On the outside, I feel like you're looking to think, oh, it's a little cottage, but it's very nicely spread out. Everybody has their own sort of section of the house, which I like. I love the open concept here in the living room, which is always really nice for entertaining. But the best, I saved it for last. Let's go check out the water. So you have boat ramp right here. This is new sod. It just needs to be mowed. The owners are not here full time, so unfortunately, I guess we're here a day before the landscapers. Oh well. Let's go up here. This is so cool. So this is new decking. A new seawall was put in, which is really nice for the new owner. Kind of gives you a worry-free part of having this. So there's a boat lift under here. 2 ways that you can get down onto this dock too. I've been standing out here, and every time I stand here long enough, something jumps out of the water. So if you're like my husband, you want to grab a fishing rod right now so you can catch whatever that is. Let's go upstairs. This is cool. It's probably my favorite part, this top deck up here. There we go. Somebody's over there. Come on. This is just amazing. Come up here in the morning with your coffee and finish your day with a cocktail. I don't think it would suck. Boater's paradise, as they say. Let's see how friendly they are. You want to wave. Hey, y'all. Got some paddle boarders down there. Yeah, this is very cool. It's a huge lot too. I have to get the dimensions. Not sure how big the lot is, but you could easily buy this, live in it, and then design your dream home. Especially if it's something that you love. Life is short, you know. They say that you should make the most of it and do things that make you happy. So if boating is something that makes you happy, living near the water makes you happy, you need to call me. We'll make it happen. All right. Let me just walk around this house so you can see it. It's a really cute little cottage. Deck out here. Birds. Just a nice long driveway. And there's just water everywhere. Right across the street you can see the Intracoastal. It's a nice dead end, so you're not going to have a lot of cars whipping down the street, which is always really nice. And there's the front of the house. So that's about it. I hope I see you soon. 11 to 1. Please come. I would love to show you this beautiful home. See you later.